you for joining us. This is Samsung's latest S-Series flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone, purchased in Poland. First, thank you for joining us today. As a reminder, you can register for free on the TechInsights platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from TechInsights experts and market analysts. As we mentioned earlier, the Galaxy S26 Ultra used in this video was sourced from Poland. The antenna bands embedded in the phone's frame are multi-radio antennas. If the RF and connectivity designs are similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra design, then the antennas at the top will support cellular, GPS, MSS, and the 5 to 7.2 GHz Wi-Fi radios. There are some changes on the rear camera setup. The new S26 Ultra 200 megapixel main camera has a larger aperture than last year. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the first Galaxy phone to have Samsung's ALOP telephoto camera. ALOP is an abbreviation for all lenses on prism.